Hello and welcome to watching this tutorial. Today I want to teach you how you can earn at least $200 per day. Yes, you hear right, $200 per day you can earn from 10 sites. You can working as a freelancer or you can teach your skills and earn many money. Yes, you can. Just you should start it now. Are you ready? Let's get started. First is Freelancer.com. This is that site, Freelancer.com. This is very useful website, and you can working or hire someone here. Here you can see some categories. For example, data entry, logo design, graphic design, 3D modeling, website design. If you have a skill, you can sign up in this site very easy. Just you can sign up here, click on sign up, and here enter your email address and password and join it. And then you can work with many people around the world. Very good. Next is Upwork.com. Upwork.com is exactly like Freelancer.com, but it have another features. And this is very good site for you if you web developers, mobile developers, design and creatives, writers, for example, virtual assistants or customer services agents and other things. You can see all categories and see all categories here. As you can see here, we have many categories. You can post a job and you will be as employer, or if you back here, you can sign up and working as a freelancer. It's very useful website. Just first name, last name, and your email. It's done, and you can get many work. Okay, next is people per hour. People per hour is very good website that you can get works on this site. It's like Upwork and it's like Freelancer.com, and I like it very much. And here you can post a job or you can sign up and working as a freelancer. It's very good. And here in people per hour, and here you can browse job and post hourly, and then you can, and in buy you can browse hourlies. What's that? If you click that, here you can see many people that for example, if you want logo animation, just type it here, logo animation, and then here you can see many people that working logo animations. And for example, here if you want, you can buy this package or this package, do logo design and ultimate revision, and you can just click and see what's happened here. Okay, next is Fiverr. In Fiverr.com you can sell your packages, and for example, here you can see all categories in Fiverr.com, and if we go to graphic design, we can see many packages here. For example, if you need a logo, you can just select logo design, and here you can see many packages here. You can sell your package here. You can sell your logo designs, you can sell your, for example, logo animation or other categories, for example, music and audio, video animation, writing and translation, digital marketing, graphic and design, programming and teach. Just you can sell them from here. It's very useful website. You can earn many money from this website. Okay, next is Untitled website. You can see all categories here: audio jungle, for music artists, Temforest for website programming, Video Hive for animators and logo animation or motion graphics, and other websites here. For example, if you're working with After Effects, you can create a package and you can create a template and then you can sell it in Video Hive. For example, I want to teach you what is Video Hive. First, select Video Hive, and as you can see here is videohive.net, and for example here I want buy a logo animation. Here I can select which of that I needed. For example here $16, $15. You can go and see which of that you need it. Very good. Next is Udemy.com. Udemy.com is useful for all teachers. If you can teach skills, you can share your tutorials here. It's very good for you. If you are a teacher, you can teach many things. For example, you can teach software, you can teach sport, you can teach programming, or if we go to categories, you can see here we have many options: marketing, design, photography, many things, music, academy, health and fitness. You can teach many things, and it's very good for you because you will teach something one time and then just share your class and get money. It's very good. And next is a Skillshare. Skillshare, it's like Udemy, but in the Udemy you should buy a package. For example, here in design, 3D and animation, for example After Effects. Here you should sell your classes as a package. For example, this package is about €10. But in a Skillshare, you should pay monthly about $10. You pay $10 and all students should pay $10 monthly. And you can share your classes here and earn money. And next is LinkedIn. LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn is like this Skillshare, and this is useful, and you can be teacher here exactly like Skillshare. And next is Lynda. Lynda is like LinkedIn and Skillshare. You can be as a teacher here, teacher something, and then share it and earn money. And final is YouTube. In the YouTube you can share a video. In the YouTube you can share a video, and when people view your video, you will earn money. I will create separate tutorial about these websites. I hope you like this tutorial. Just don't forget, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye.